Hi, my name is Kay.nelshea. If you guys want to see how I get this easy everyday soft makeup, then keep on watching. You can do this in about 20 or 30 minutes. I already did my eyebrows off camera, so on clean and moisturized skin, I'm just priming my face with the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. Then I'm going in with the MAC Studio Fix Foundation in the shade NW47 and using this e.l.f. stipple brush to apply it all over my face. Now I'm just going to take this damp beauty blender by Real Techniques and dab the foundation into my skin. I don't want to use swiping motions. I just want to dab it so that I'm pressing the product into my skin. With the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee, I'm just highlighting all of the areas of my face I want to stand out. I'm going to conceal those eye bags. And I'm placing that under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, the middle of my forehead, and on my Cupid's bow. I'm just going to go back in with that beauty blender and dab that into my skin. You really want to take your time blending. To set that concealer, I'm just going in with the Luxe Pro powder in the shade Chestnut, and I got this from my local beauty supply store. I'm just going to use that beauty blender. Can't talk. I'm going to use that beauty blender to set that concealer. Everywhere I put concealer is where I'm going to put that setting powder. And setting those eyelids is just going to make blending that eyeshadow 100% easier. Now I'm just going to use this e.l.f. powder in the shade Toffee to set the rest of my face. And I'm also going to use it to brush off that setting powder. This is an angled brush from Wet n Wild. For eyeshadow, you can use whatever eyeshadow you have. I am using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I'm going in the shade Blazing, and I'm just going to put that in my outer corner. pack that in and use swiper motions to blend it out throughout my whole crease. For my base shade, I'm going to use the shimmer eyeshadow Cashmere, and I'm just going to put that all over the base of my eyelid. Now I'm going back into the shade Blazing just to blend that out and make it even, not have such a harsh line. And to deepen up that crease, I'm going in the color Odd with this blending brush, and I'm just going to put that into the outer corner and blend that just like I did Blazing. This just gives the look just a little bit of dimension. Here I'm just making that cashmere a little bit more pigmented and adding some into my inner corner. I'm using blush from the e.l.f. blush palette, and I'm just putting a smile on my face so that I can see the apples of my cheeks. Favorite part! This is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Topaz. And I like to use a small blending brush to apply the highlighter, just so it gets in the places that I want it to be. I don't like when highlight's all over my face, and then I'll just use a bigger brush to blend that thing out. This is the best drugstore highlighter, y'all. Blend that thing out. Okay, to create my wing, I'm just using the LA Girls liquid eyeliner in the color Black, and I'm just creating the most basic wing. I went ahead and applied these wispy lashes by Ardell and set my face using the Prep and Prime Fix Plus by MAC. I'm wearing the Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss by Rihanna with a liner from MAC in the color Antique Velvet. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me.